بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to you in your English class. As you all know that we daily start our English class with alphabet poem. So are you ready? Stand up and let's start. Okay. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Okay students, very good. Today I will introduce one of our new friend. I hope you all will like it. But first we will revise the previous lesson. Okay, बच्चों मुझे बताएं ये क्या है? What is this? Yes, this is A. What is this? A. What is this? A. Okay, what is the sound of A? A. A. बच्चों मेरे साथ बोले नेम A sound A. नेम A sound A. ओके बच्चों ये क्या है? What is this? Yes, this is B. What is this? B. What is this? B. And the sound B. What is the sound of B? B. Name B, sound B. Name B, sound B. Name B, sound B. Okay, बच्चों. Now tell me, what is this? Yes. Name C and the sound K. Name C and the sound K. This is C and the sound K. This is C and the sound K. Okay students, we have revised A, B and C. Okay बच्चों, today we will learn about the new letter. What is this? Okay, I will tell you. This is D. बच्चों ये क्या है? D. What is this? D. What's the name of this letter? Yes, D. Okay बच्चों, do you know what is the sound of D? Okay students, अगर आप इसका साउंड नहीं जानते तो परेशान बिल्कुल नहीं होना. अभी बताती हूँ मैं आपको. This is D and its sound D. This is D and the sound D. This is D and the sound D. बच्चों ये D है और इसका साउंड D है. क्या है इसका साउंड? D. Name D and the sound D. Okay बच्चों, now be ready for a poem. Yes, let's start. I am D, I am D, the letter D. I am D, the letter D. I make a sound D, D, D. I make a sound D, D, D. I am D, I am D. I am D, the letter D. I make a sound D, D, D. I make a sound D, D, D. Okay बच्चों मेरे साथ बोले नेम D sound D. नेम D sound D. बच्चों ये D है और इसका साउंड D. Okay students, after learning the name D and the sound D, we will move toward the action. The action is very easy. You will act like a duck. Okay, let's start. Name the sound. 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 Okay, students, now we will revise the actions from A to D. Okay, let's start. Name a sound a. Name a sound a. Name a sound a. Okay, now B. Sound B. Name B sound B. Name B sound B. Name B sound B. Okay, now letter C and the sound K. Name C sound K. Name C sound K. Name C sound K. Okay, now letter D and the sound D. Name D sound D. Name D sound D. Name D sound D. Okay, student, now look at this alphabet chart. Yes, this is A. This is A. And the sound A. What is the sound of A? A. Yes, name A and the sound A. Okay, what is this? This is B. What is this? B. What is this? B. And the sound B. What is the sound of B? B. What is the sound of B? B. Its name B and the sound B. Name B and the sound B. Okay, students, what is this? This is C. What is this? C. What is this? C. And the sound K. What is the sound of C? K. What is the sound of C? K. Name C and the sound K. Name C and the sound K. Okay, students, what is this? This is D. What is this? D. What is this? D. Okay, now tell me the sound of D. D. Name D and the sound D. Name D and the sound D. Name D and the sound D. ओके बच्चों, आज हमने लेटर डी का नेम, साउंड और एक्शन सीखा। बच्चों, अगर आपने इसका नेम, साउंड और एक्शन अच्छे से सीख लिया है और घर में प्रैक्टिस के बाद आपने एक अच्छी सी वीडियो बनवानी है और हमें व्हाट्सएप करनी है। इट्स योर होमवर्क। ओके, send your video on WhatsApp. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.